In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom time control on chess.com. If you've ever wished a game were just a little faster or a little slower, custom time controls are the perfect solution. They let you set the exact pace you want, from ultra-fast bullet to a more thoughtful, classical-style game without being limited to the preset options. Start by heading to the Play section on chess.com. This is where you normally start live games. On the main screen, you'll usually see standard choices like 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 10 minutes. To unlock the custom settings, look for the small arrow or caret next to those standard options. Clicking that reveals more choices. Select Custom or More Time Controls. This opens the panel where you can define your time exactly how you like it. You'll see fields for minutes, seconds, and increment. Minutes and seconds together make up your base time, the clock each player starts with before any moves are made. The increment is the bonus time added to your clock after every move you complete. For example, an increment of 2 seconds means you gain 2 seconds each time you press your clock. This helps prevent frantic time scrambles and allows you to recover a little time as the game goes on. Enter the base time you want by filling in minutes, and if you need more precision, seconds. Want a quick but not too chaotic game? Try something like 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Prefer a steady pace? 5 minutes or 10 minutes works well. Then set your increment. 0 means no bonus time. A small increment like 1 or 2 seconds keeps things brisk but fair. A larger increment like 5 seconds makes longer calculations more manageable. As you type, think about the experience you want. Faster base time with no increment leads to sharp, tactical battles where time pressure is part of the fun. A moderate base with a small increment rewards steady play and reduces blunders caused by flagging. And if you're practicing endgames or deeper calculation, a longer base time with a larger increment can be ideal. Once your minutes, seconds, and increment look right, confirm the selection and start your game. Your custom control should remain selected for your next session, so you can reuse it without setting it up each time. If you ever don't see the custom panel, revisit the Play section and tap that arrow again to expand the options. That's it, simple, flexible, and tailored to how you like to play. Set it once and enjoy games at your perfect tempo.